Channeling from Hilarion, August 2023. Channeled by Celia. Beloved child of one, child of unity, I, Hilarion, greet you with humble admiration. You have chosen a path of accelerating adventures in the realm of illusions and lower frequencies. And yet, the remembrance of oneness is and was always within yourselves. As you are awakening to your interconnectedness with all, I am here to remind you of who you are and what you are. In the mundane world of limited awareness, the struggles and hardships become yours to carry as individuals, as if you were alone. But beloved child of oneness, the higher your awareness reaches, the more you see and experience of how we all interconnect. Right now, in timelessness, I urge you to allow yourself to expand. Allow yourself to unfold. Allow yourself to embrace the grandness of all. Child of oneness, child of the universe, you are the source of creation. You are the center of your matrix. You are the key to the universe. You are the key to unlock your own path. You are the key to all what you have been missing. It is all here in this very moment. The infinite power of Source is lingering within each cell of your body, as you linger as a cell in the universal body. In time and timelessness, the force of love is realigning you to your own higher wisdom, beyond words, beyond thoughts. As this universe is experienced differently from one dimension to the next, it is hard to know in your head to which level we create and impact one another. Everything in this universe is vibration. Everything in this universe is energy. You know that to be true on some micro level, and yet it is still incomprehensive for your daily awareness to encompass. So let me tell you that you have a structure not only of mind and physical cells put together, but of energetic geometry. Imagine for a moment, although it is slightly incorrect, that you have a personal structure in a beautiful pattern that is yours. When you become sad or happy, worried or angry, this structure shifts into changing shapes like in a kaleidoscope, which is healthy and normal. When you get ill, on the other hand, the geometry becomes non-symmetric and even chaotic in parts of or in your entire energy field. Now all is energy, right? All is vibration. You know that. So what happens when your geometric pattern changes? Everything around has to change too, because we are not separated. Energy moves energy. Just like ripples in the water, we all create waves that touch one another, not only as human beings, not only upon earth, not only in third-dimensional reality, but through all dimensions and the entire universe. As we have explained many times, we are all interconnected, all part of oneness. Through geometry, it is easy to see the impact one movement, energetic imbalance, thought, emotion and vibration has on everything around. Strongest impact on the closest geometries, softer and less forceful on what is further apart. But here, beloved child of oneness, is where the dimensional awareness changes the experience completely. The higher you fix your awareness, the closer in distance everything becomes. So the higher the awareness frequency, the stronger impact you have on the entire universal movement. You, as I, are not important as individuals, but the experience of separation has this in common: the longing for re-establishing oneness. This way, oneness expands and the entire universe expands until it reaches a point of withdrawal and starts densifying. We will not go into any details that is not essential for your experience of life right now. In this moment in timelessness, you may use your own consciousness to connect to this one amazing universal movement to improve the experience of your life. The power that comes from uniting your mind and heart to the interconnectedness of all brings endless potential. You may change things around. You may never feel alone again ever. You may heal the source of your troubles. You may set yourself free within this now, this lifetime you are living. Beloved child of oneness, child of the universe, you are the source of creation. You are the center of your matrix. You are the key to the universe. You are the key to unlock your own path. You are the key to all what you are missing. It is all here in this very moment. The infinite power of Source is lingering within each cell of your body as you linger as a cell in the universal body right now. In time and timelessness, the force of love is realigning you to your own higher wisdom, beyond words, beyond thoughts, where you and your soul are one, and the door to infinite love is open. Beloved child of oneness, unfold your geometry, unfold your wisdom, unfold your love, and we are one. Be blessed, beloved child of love, child of oneness. Be blessed.